What's going on YouTube? Another car detailing video for you guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove a ceramic coating and a real life example of the difference between the original finish on this ceramic coat, the Perfect Finish by Sonax with a medium foam pad, a 3D ARC500 with a heavy cut wool pad, and then also a 3000 grit finish that I use to remove the ceramic coating. Now the finish that you're going to get from the 3000 grit is going to look like that, kind of a faded look. That would be the clear coat original finish. Over here we got kind of like that glossy finish. Now what we have here is the heavy cut by 3D on this right here versus 3000 grit. I use that 3000 grit to remove the ceramic coating, and honestly the finish on this is rather good. A lot of people will be happy with that. A little hard to focus. There we go. Then I also have Sonax Perfect Finish. This is a Nighthawk black. You can see there's a little bit of swirling right there left from the 3D with the wool pad. And then if you come over here, a little bit less swirling, but at the same time I'm just trying to get a comparison. You can finish this off with a polish, no problem. And over here you have the line, the tape line. This is ceramic coated. So on this project, I will be removing the ceramic coating from this TSX. And then polishing it up, adding a new sealant. So for a polish to finish this off, you could probably use anything that you like. Personally, I like this red pad by ShineMate with the 3M Perfect It. Now, the finish is rather good. Just be careful when you're sanding. You want to measure the paint. The paint is rather thin on this one. I measured it out. It is awfully thin. So when you're doing this, make sure that you, right as soon as you see that milkiness, get off of it. That's it. Because you're going to be probably following that with a cutting compound. You don't want to go too deep on this. As you can see, there is some light clear coat fade right there. So there's little specks here and there on this car. It's an older car, so we're just going to treat it, make it look real nice. And last thing, make sure that you're comfortable when you are doing these projects, anything to do with orbital, because you can get tired rather quick. And this little tip, I have just a spare tire for working on the roof. Stand up here, less trouble on your back, make this job go by a lot better. Let's do a quick last comparison of these four, and I will end the video. Very hard to pick up, but there is some slight haziness left from that cutting compound. I apologize for the lighting. My camera does not want to focus. There we go. See that haziness left? More of a better finish over here on the Perfect Finish. Most people use this as a single stage correction. All right, so this basically shows the 3 steps on this. Start off with the 3000 grit, then I hit it this whole area with the 3D, and then I finished it off with the Sonax Perfect Finish, and then this is our starting point. Anyways, have a good day, guys. I will talk to you guys later.